Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate compound interest in Excel. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to calculate. Here you will see I have created a calculator, compound interest calculator in my Excel sheet, and if I change the value from 60,000 to 50,000, okay, you will see all the value will be changed. Okay, and so like this you will see it here. You will see principal amount is this, interest is this, and compound interest after end of 1 year you will see this. So you can change the rate, you can change the principal according to your need, and you will get automatically after 2 years, end of the 2 years, compound interest of that principal amount. 3 years, 4 years, 9 years, 10 years, you can choose uh, these things. Okay, so how to create these calculators, I will show you how to create this calculator. So what you have to do here, you have to I'm going to remove all these things. Okay, then first what you have to do, in principal amount just equals to, and this is the principal amount. Then in interest what you have to do is equals to principal amount into rate of interest. Okay, then rate of interest means the cell C6 should be logged. Okay, so I am going to log it. To log that you have to just press F4. Okay, then what sorry, then what will be the compound interest? Compound interest will be equals to principal amount plus interest. Okay, and here you will see 1 2 3, this is end of year. Okay, now second, what will be the principal amount? Principal amount should be this because it is compound interest. Okay, then what will be the interest? So interest is, you have to just drag down this. Here equals to principal amount into this, and here it should be dot. Okay, then just drag it and you will see interest is automatically, the formula will be pasted here, and then you have to just paste it here. Okay, now the calculator has been created. You have to just drag all this to the all cell. Okay, and you will see if I change the value here 40,000. Okay, you will see all the value will be changed. So like this you can generate compound interest calculator in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.